Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make the perfect Lynchburg lemonade like a pro. The famous Lynchburg lemonade is beautifully concocted with Jack Daniel's whiskey, orange liqueur, citrus juices, and lemonade. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a tall glass of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. Fill up the glass with lots of fresh ice cubes. Okay, let's get into the mixology. Pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of Jack Daniel's whiskey. After the whiskey, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of Cointreau, and if you don't have Cointreau, simply use triple sec. After the orange liqueur, pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. And if you want to know how to make a perfect sweet and sour mix, please click on the I button on my left side. Now dry shake all the ingredients. Dry shaking is similar to the mix method, where ingredients are shaken without ice, and poured into a glass filled with lots of ice cubes. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now put 3 lemon wheels inside the glass, and arrange them in a way that it looks beautiful. Perfect. We are almost done, so quickly finish the job by topping the glass with chilled lemonade. Okay, let's garnish it with a fresh lemon slice and a mint sprig. And the refreshing Lynchburg lemonade is now ready for your party. Cheers! Have an amazing weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.